Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will be talking about the best 3D printer for robotic parts. Each 3D printer offers a great combination of features that can make creating robot parts a breeze. These printers can be used in any condition a robotic part might face, so you can create parts that will last for years. We all know that a quality 3D printer can make a huge difference in the performance of your dental models. To help you, we have compiled a list of the top 5 best 3D printers for robotic parts. These 3D printers are especially for users who want to create high-precision robotic parts. The output of each 3D printer is excellent, and with the help of these 3D printers, you can design robotic parts to perfection. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is FLASHFORGE Guider II 3D printer. If you're looking for a 3D printer that can quickly bring your robotic creations to life, let me introduce you to the number 1 choice, the FLASHFORGE Guider II. This incredible machine is a true game changer, designed to meet all your needs when printing robotic parts. Get ready to be blown away by the Guider II's impressive capabilities. With its large build volume, measuring 17.7 by 15.7 by 15.7 inches, 45 by 40 by 40 centimeters, you'll have ample space to bring your wildest robotic dreams into reality. It's like having a mini factory right at your fingertips. But that's not all. The Guider II has advanced features that make it a cut above the rest. Thanks to its self-developed FLASHFORGE intelligent leveling system, you can say goodbye to tedious manual adjustments. Were you worried about running out of filament mid-print? Fear not! The Guider II comes with a filament runout detection feature that keeps an eye on your supplies. If it senses that you're running low, it will automatically pause your printing progress, saving you from potential mishaps. So if you want the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description